it's Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay with the Pow Pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So I'm gonna try to make this little intro quick. As far as my weekend, I need 15 offers for $5. I'm also tracking towards that larger bonus as well, which I think I'm gonna hit that one this time. I wanted to mention something for you guys. I have awesome news. So when I did my field agent video, a few of you guys were like, look, you can't add PayPal on field agent. If you go into your PayPal app, you can get the routing information. Add that into field agent and link it. Once they verify it, then it'll go towards your PayPal. And I just did that, you guys, and that is so freaking awesome. The other thing is Upromise. Now, I tried it with Upromise as well. I was hoping it was going to process before it went to my bank account, but it didn't. But they were able to verify my my PayPal as well. So I don't know about y'all. I'm super stoked about that. Like, if all of my rebate money could go to PayPal, I would be ecstatic, like seriously, like, and I think just about all of it goes there. I know that Fetch Reward is still gift cards, but in my area, if you cash out for a CVS gift card and your total goes under $10, it automatically gives you the option to cash it out. So if I ever want to cash out to a CVS gift card to actually convert it back to cash, I can do it there. But because I go to Walmart so much, I only do Walmart gift cards as far as Fetch is concerned. But I think just about everything else, well, no, Merryfield is gift cards too, I believe. But a good 98% of what I do as far as rebates and stuff does go to PayPal, which is awesome. And so I did want to mention that. One of you guys mentioned that they have a recall for this By Heart baby formula. We got this some time ago. It was on Ibotta. And it was on aisles, and they have a recall for it. I don't have the receipt for this anymore, which I probably wouldn't want to use a receipt because I did submit on Ibotta and aisle. So I'm going to take this back and just have them put it on a gift card, and I'll use that. But I just kind of just wanted to mention that. Big shout out to one of you guys who mentioned that to me. So with that being said, we're going to head over to Walmart. I also have some Target as well. I'm going to do voiceovers for that. It will be at the end. I found a nice amount of deals, which I was actually surprised. And so if you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So we're going to be doing some more oatmeal. Now, if you've done some of these already, I think what Flavor Wiki is doing is they're releasing more as you do them, which I guess makes sense because it can be a little overwhelming when you have like 20 different offers at the same time. And so I do have another 6 that we're going to share. The Bob's red meal, it's priced at $6.58. Getting back 10 on Flavor Wiki makes it a $3.42 moneymaker. We have one for the Great Value Quick Oats down here. It's priced at $4.38. Getting back 8 makes it a $3.62 moneymaker. We have one on the Quaker Oats. 1 Minute Oats is priced at $3.13. Getting back 6 on Flavor Wiki makes that a $2.87 moneymaker. We also have one on the original one. It's on the 42 ounce. It's priced at $4.57. Getting back 8 would make that a $2.43 moneymaker. The newer ones that I got, the first one is on the Quaker Oats. It's on the 8 count. It's priced at $3. It's on the Raisin Date and Walnut one. They are $3, and for that one we're getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki. I also have one for the original as well. This store has them priced at $2.87. I did this yesterday and I got it for $3. And for that one you're getting back $6, making that a $3 money maker. I also have one for the Kodiak Protein Oats, priced at $5.54, and for that one we're getting back $10 on Flavor Wiki. We have an offer on Ibotta for 75 cents, and then we have 90 cents on Fetch. It makes it a $6.11 moneymaker. Right. I was so excited that I was refreshing field agent while I was here, and I got a buy and try for the Blue Dragon Thai red curry sauce. It's on this one right here. It's priced at $3.48. You're gonna get that back. And then I think the bounty for this is $2, making this a $2 moneymaker. Also have one for the Patix. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's on the spicy tikka masala sauce right here. I'm not even going front, y'all. When I refreshed it on my way to do another deal, and I saw a bunch of buy and tries, and I was trying to click them as fast as I could for the store that I'm at. And I thought I got 3, but I only got 2. So this was the second one. It's priced at $4.88. You're gonna get that back through Field Agent, and you'll also get back a $2 bounty as well, making that a $2 moneymaker. And I on the Milton's gluten-free jalapeno crackers, either jalapeno or ranch. The price at $3.64. I believe you're only getting back $3.48 on Ibotta, so there's a bit of a cost for this, but it's an easy rebate, and these are actually pretty good. This next deal is on the Blue Buffalo Love Made Fresh. When I checked online, it said they didn't carry it, or at least I didn't see it online. I'm happy that I checked when I came, because this is an easy little freebie. They are priced at $3.48, getting back $3.50 on Ibotta. It is also available for Walmart Rewards as well, making it a 2-cent moneymaker with a limit of 1. Look, big shout out to one of you guys who was like, girl, the one that you need was the one that you was holding. And I didn't even realize it. Okay, so I did do this deal yesterday. I had to price match it because I know that day that I did it, I scanned it. It was $9.94, and I just assumed it wasn't the right one. But the online price is $4.97. So if you're doing this deal, you have to price match it. I know a lot of stores don't price match themselves anymore. You have to do it curbside or online. But I was able to get a cashier that price matched it for me for $4.97. Got back 5 through Walmart Rewards, making us a 3-cent moneymaker. All right, next up is the Febreze. It's on the small spaces. We have an offer for Walmart Rewards for $2. If you grab one price at $3.24, you'll get back to making that $1.24. I'm also going to be grabbing the Febreze Air again. Now, I grabbed 2 of them priced at $3.24. Make sure you scan them first to see which ones qualify. I got the Romance one that I got last time. So 2 of them is going to be $6.48. You'll get back a total of $3.50 on Ibotta. That was 2 different offers that were attaching. Plus, I did hit an offer on Fetch for $1.25, making them both only 86 cents. Next up is the Palmolive. I really, really want to try this scent. I'm going to scan it and see if it works. I want to try it so bad. I'm so tired of getting I get the same green one because that's the one Joseph likes, and since he washes the dishes most of the time, I get him what he likes. I think I'm gonna treat myself if this one works, and I'm gonna get this one. So for Palmolive, it's on the 20-ounce price at $2.68, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta makes it $1.18 with a limit of 1. Okay, so the Apple Orchard one, that one did work, so I'm gonna grab that one and treat myself. We also have an offer on Ajax as well. It's on the 28-ounce price at $2.74. For this, you're getting back $8 on Ibotta, making that $1.74. So I'm going to be grabbing the all free and clear dryer sheets. It's priced at $3.74 for the 80 count. I'm using this $2 hang tag that I found on, what was it on? I think it was on the all detergents. It's going to bring that total down to $1.74. And then you'll get back 75 cents on Ibotta. It's going to make it only 99 cents. I had the hardest time finding these little Samsung sizing rings. I'll have to put up who I saw post this. This is the only store that carries them. I don't even know if this is the right one. This is not Samsung. No, it's not this one. This is Samsung. All right, so I found it. And they don't have any. This is the only store in our area that carries it. It's $9.88. You're getting that back through Walmart Rewards or Ibotta. Check this little display table. That's where it's at my store. And so, yeah, y'all. So, of course, we're doing the Arm & Hammer deal again. Price at $3.98. Using a $2 printable from coupons.com, you'll pay $1.98, getting back $1.50 on Ibotta. Makes it only 48 cents with a limit of 5. This next deal is on the Colgate Optic White Advanced. Price at $5.96. Getting back $3 on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Checkout 51. Of course, I tried the sister apps as well, making that a $3.04 moneymaker. I went ahead and grabbed an extra one for Walmart Rewards. The Colgate toothbrushes and the toothpaste. I only have this offer for Walmart Rewards. I'm going to grab a toothbrush here at $4.96, and then I'll be grabbing the toothpaste over here. The Colgate total price at $3.96. The two is going to come to $8.92. We'll get back a total of $4 on Walmart Rewards, $4 on Tada,
making them 46 cents each. Now, if you still have the offer on checkout 51, and then it would be a money maker for you. All right, so I also went ahead and grabbed the Colgate Optic White toothbrush priced at $5.96, getting back $4 on Ibotta, making that $1.96. I went ahead and wanted to try this deal on the soft soap. Now, I don't have the offers on checkout 51 anymore because I already did it. I'm going to grab 2 of these priced at $5.97. I wound up paying $11.94. I'm getting back a $5 offer for buying 2 on one of the sister apps. There's also a $4 offer there as well. So if I get that back, it'll make these only $147 each.
All right, guys. So we are here at Target for some pretty awesome deals. And so this first one is on the Bob's Red Meal Oatmeal. It's on the little packets. They are priced at $4.99. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll pay $9.98. We'll get back $4.99 through aisle. That is a buy one get one free offer. We also have $1.75 for each one on Ibotta. I'm bringing these down to only 74 cents each. All right, so here is an easy freebie on the daily. These are priced at $2.69. You'll get that back through aisle, making this absolutely free. Definitely had to grab this deal again. It's on the Slate Ultra Protein. These are 2 for $5, and we'll be getting back $2.50 on aisle. It's a buy one get one free offer. We'll also get back $1 for each on Ibotta, bringing these down to only 25 cents each. All right, so next up is the Febreze Air. It is priced at $3.49 for select ones. We have a $2 digital, making them only $1.49. Just make sure you scan them first to see which one the digital is working with. This is another pretty awesome freebie. These last 2 deals are really good to add to the household deal if you want to do. I believe it's spend 50, get back 15. I did not do that deal. And so it's priced at $3.49. We have a $3.50 digital, making this absolutely free. Next up is the Glade Automatic Spray. It is priced at $6.29. Now you can grab this deal at different stores. I did it at Target just because it's cheaper than Walmart. It's priced at $6.29, getting back $5 on Ibotta. Bringing this down to $1.29. Now I did have to correct my receipt because it didn't pick it up, and eventually I had to put a ticket in, so just a heads up on that. All right, and last but not least, I wanted to do a gift card promotion. It's buy 4, get back 5. And so I grabbed 2 of the Refill soft soaps, priced at $5.99. I grabbed 1 of the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, priced at $3.99. And for that, I had a $2 printable. And then I grabbed the Colgate toothbrush. It's priced at $6.29. And for that, we had a $4 digital. So the total before coupons was $22.26. Afterwards, we paid $16.26. I did get back a $5 gift card, plus I got back a total of $7.50 on Ibotta. That was $6 for the soft soap and $1.50 for the Arm & Hammer, making them only 94 cents each. All right, y'all. So here is our complete haul for today. Everything here worked out really, really good. I was super stoked about this haul, but don't ask me what I'm gonna do with all this dang oatmeal. I'm gonna make some oatmeal cookies this weekend. I'm excited about. My best deal is I see she over there making chocolate chip cookies and they look hella bomb. But let me know in the comments, what are y'all doing with all this oatmeal? Because I mean, I love me some oatmeal, but not as much as I've been getting. So I'm definitely gonna be taking some to the local pantry. Probably give some to my sister and the fam bam over there. But yeah, I got more oatmeal than I need right now. But I'm not complaining because it came with money. And so that I works with. And so so other than that, this worked out good. Have you guys tried the Slate Ultra Protein? I tried the cookies and cream one, and it's actually pretty good. You just have to shake it a lot. Otherwise, you'll get to the bottom of the can and you'll have all these Oreo chunks. That don't taste good. So if you get that flavor, make sure you shake it. So I was excited to try the vanilla flavor and see how it tastes. And so yeah. Other than that, what else? Okay, so with the soft soap, really quick. Now, for the soft soap, I wanted to see if the $4 offer was going to work with the $5 offer. So I didn't clip the $4 offer. I only clipped the $5 offer on inbox dollars. Submitted the receipt. It went straight through. I resubmitted the same receipt, and the $4 went into review, and it picked up the $5 again. So it ended up giving me the $5 twice for those 2 bottles,
and the $4 went through, I think, yesterday. So I ended up getting back $14 for what? $12 worth of product, which is crazy. I didn't expect that to happen, but I'm not complaining. What else? Did I mention that I had the cashier price match this? Because when I went to self-checkout, she was like, oh, we don't price match no more. So I went to one of the cashiers, and I was like, I just made sure I choose the right cashier, and she price matched it for me. And so, yeah, there was that. What else? I think that's basically it with this. I'm going to give this dog food to my sister because they have dogs. I did this, was it yesterday? Or the day before I did it, it was working. I've been getting conflicting stories. Some people say it's working. Some people say it ain't working. So I don't know if I want to try it, because if I do try it and it don't work, I'm going to have to take it back. Like, I don't have a choice. I did hear that it is working with all three flavors. Is working with all 3 scents. And so with that deal, proceed with caution. I decided to proceed myself to Walmart and Target. So that's where I proceeded. I had a ton of receipts this time, y'all. A ton. And so everything you see here retails $192.88. We had $16 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $176.88. Getting back $69.50 from Flavor Wiki, $59.98 from Ibotta, $42.37 from Field Agents, $18 from Inbox Dollars, $15.50 from Walmart Rewards, $6 from Checkout 51, $4.70 from Fresh Reward, and last but not least, $4 from Tada. And then we had a $5 gift card I totally forgot about, bringing our total back to $225.05, making everything you see here free plus a $48.17 moneymaker, you guys. I love this haul. I cannot wait to try this Palmolive. And I'm just like, I'm going to use it, and I'm going to put it under the sink so nobody else can use it. Don't judge me. But other than that, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you watching. I want to see, what do I want to see in the comments, y'all? I want to see a mango. Is there a mango emoji? I want to see a mango emoji in the comments, or a fruit emoji if you made it to the end. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.